Are you a guitar enthusiast who is looking to take your skills to the next level? Do you find yourself captivated by the soulful sounds of jazz guitar and yearn to unlock its unique essence? Look no further. In this article, we will delve into the world of jazz guitar and explore how you can ignite your passion for this genre by unraveling the secrets behind the sounds of jazz masters. Get ready to embark on an exciting musical journey that will leave you inspired and eager to explore new horizons in your guitar playing. Understanding the emotional objectives. As a reader, it's essential to understand why you're drawn towards jazz guitar. Perhaps it's because you crave a deeper connection with music or long for self-expression through your instrument. By tapping into these emotional objectives, we can address them directly and provide solutions that resonate with your desires. Unveiling unique rationale. The rationale behind exploring jazz guitar lies in its ability to expand our musical vocabulary and challenge us as musicians. By immersing ourselves in this genre, we gain exposure to complex harmonies, intricate chord progressions, and improvisational techniques that push our boundaries. This unique rationale sets us apart from other genres and opens up new avenues for creativity. The what? Exploring jazz guitar techniques. Now that we've established why delving into jazz guitar is so enticing, let's dive into what exactly makes it special. Chord voicings. Jazz guitarists often use extended chords such as 9th, 11th, or 13th chords, which add color and richness to their playing style. Improvisation. One hallmark of jazz is improvisation, creating melodies on the spot while staying within the framework of a song's harmony. Syncopation. Jazz incorporates syncopated rhythms where accents fall on off beats, creating a sense of groove and swing. Bebop lines. Bebop is a subgenre of jazz known for its fast-paced, intricate melodies. Learning bebop lines can greatly enhance your improvisational skills. The why? Benefits of jazz guitar mastery. Now that we've explored the techniques involved in jazz guitar, let's discuss why mastering this genre can be so rewarding. Expanded musical vocabulary. By immersing yourself in jazz guitar, you'll gain access to an extensive repertoire of chords, scales, and melodic ideas that can be applied across various musical genres. Enhanced creativity. Jazz encourages musicians to think outside the box and explore new possibilities. This mindset fosters creativity and allows you to develop your unique voice as a guitarist. Improved technique. The technical demands of jazz guitar push you to refine your playing skills. As you tackle complex chord voicings and intricate solos, your overall technique will improve significantly. Collaborative opportunities. Jazz is often performed in ensembles where musicians engage in dynamic improvisation together. Mastering jazz guitar opens doors for collaboration with other like-minded musicians. The how? Unlocking the sounds of masters. Now that we understand the benefits of delving into jazz guitar, let's explore how we can unlock the sounds of masters. Listen intently. Immerse yourself in recordings by legendary jazz guitarists such as Wes Montgomery or Joe Pass. Pay attention to their phrasing, tone, and rhythmic feel. Analyze transcriptions. Transcribing solos from iconic recordings helps us internalize the language of jazz guitarists while developing our ear for melodic ideas. Practice chord progressions. Work on common progressions found in many jazz standards such as EVI or turnarounds. Experiment with different voicings and inversions to create unique sounds. Embrace improvisation. Start by improvising over simple chord progressions, gradually incorporating more complex harmonic concepts. Trust your instincts and let your emotions guide your playing. Concrete takeaways. To ensure you leave this article with tangible ideas, here are 3 concrete takeaways. Dedicate regular practice time to jazz guitar techniques such as chord voicings, improvisation, syncopation, and bebop lines. Immerse yourself in recordings of jazz guitar masters to develop a deeper understanding of the genre's unique sound. Seek opportunities for collaboration with other musicians to enhance your skills through dynamic improvisational sessions. Conclusion. By embarking on a journey into the world of jazz guitar, you open yourself up to a whole new realm of musical possibilities. The emotional connection and self-expression that can be achieved through this genre are truly unparalleled. So go ahead, ignite your passion for jazz guitar and unlock the unique sounds of masters. It's time to let your fingers dance across the fretboard in harmony with soulful melodies.